To add photos and slideshow galleries to your Rhythmic Rebellion website, select the Features panel and drag the gallery features to your page. You can add images to the slideshow gallery from your media library, from photos shared with you from other accounts, and from royalty-free images that come with your site. You can also upload images directly by clicking the Upload button and selecting an image from your device. Once you've selected your photos, resize the slideshow gallery using the handles around the gallery feature. Select from 3 different transition types, like this. And choose whether you want each image to completely fill the container or to fit inside the container. You can also select whether you want the gallery slideshow to autoplay or only advance when one of your fans clicks the navigation arrows. Add borders to any or all of the sides of the gallery feature like this. Adjust the size of the border with this slider. And select a color for the border using a pre-selected color palette or the custom color picker, like this. You can also adjust the border color when someone hovers over your gallery. Finally, you can add a box shadow to your gallery feature. Adjust the position of the shadow, the amount of blur, the color, and the opacity. Want to create a single image instead of a slideshow gallery? After dragging the gallery feature to the page, just select a single image instead of multiple ones.